Hey YouTube, Jeremy with Gassol's Garage, and
I'm Pat. There's Boo Boo. And Tom's around the corner.
had to go pee-pees.
Welcome back. Today, we have an issue. We stripped down the car to bare metal. Everything left except for the inner door jambs. And yeah, this piece here, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's about 100, 120 holes in here. Where back in the day, they used to drill an 1/8" hole and put a screw in there, sheet metal screw, and use a slide hammer to pull the dent out. Which is cool when you don't have access to it, but this being the trunk, I can get it from the inside, so not a clue why they did that. Some people think it's to hold the Bondo in. It wasn't, not that thick right here, so that's not an issue. And this was solid Bondo and a patch panel that used to be a shelf, which is all gone now. And then you can see underneath it, we got some work to do. So yeah, nice little hole here. So today we're gonna be working on fixing this, and maybe instead of making our own patch panel, this one here from Summit, it's actually Goodmark. It was cheap enough to where, why bother? I'm just gonna use that. And then I already test fitted, it fits good, so yeah, we'll go from there.
Say, Tom.
Yep, we're trying.
There we go. All right, to anybody wondering if the rotisserie is worth it, this is why, right, Pat?
Yes, sir. Definitely helps out.
Definitely be a hell of a lot easier to work on it this way than on his back.
Oh, yep. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh shit, what?
I'm assuming you grabbed it when you got the gas tank? Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. I was like, where'd that go?
It went on the floor, came crashing down. Pretty sure you would have heard that.
Yeah. Okay.
I got it. You're good.
I'm gonna go over on that side and start it.
All right, you got the Sharpie out.
Yeah, I'm just marking out the spot welds so I can drill them out to get this piece off. It's the remainder of the quarter panel.
The only piece of metal that was good left?
Yeah, there's some good metal here and there.
You gonna keep that piece?
Nope.
All bye-bye?
Yep.
Well, wait. Why are you doing the spot welds if you're getting rid of the whole thing?
Because I want to keep the piece underneath it.
Okay.
Because when you have spot welds, that means there's two pieces, not just one.
I get that, but I thought you just said you're gonna remove the whole thing.
No, just this outside.
Gotcha.
And then we'll see how the inside looks and go from there.
Have fun.
Yeah.
What the hell happened? Because some shit's missing, Pat.
Yeah, I cut it off. Like I said I was going to.
You said you were cutting a little bit off, not like the whole freaking thing.
I'm cutting a bunch more off. Give it a chance.
I mean, shit, dude. This is like reminding me of the Porsche where you got into a little bit, and next thing you know, holy crap, we cut the whole car in half.
Oh, yeah. Well, this panel's getting replaced, so I just got out of the way.
Yeah, what the hell?
It's not a seam? It's not sealer? It's not seam sealer?
No.
You sure? Were they seamed together? Maybe seam sealer.
We got on the inner panel, the trunk drop off. There's Bondo. They did a good job on that though. They sanded and finished it and undercoated that. I don't know why you would have Bondo there though. That makes no sense at all.
Probably the nicest work they've done on the car.
Pretty much.
Don't do that, people. Well, I don't know why you would do that.
Yeah.
Makes no sense.
Well, I was gonna say nobody will ever see it again, but maybe they will.
A lot of extra work.
And we got some lead right here. It's got to be taken out. A little bit of more work you're going to be doing here, Pat.
Yeah. Watch yourself.
Have fun. You know, Pat, you said you were going to be extending these quarter panels, not making them higher.
Yeah, well, gotta get rid of the bad stuff while we're in there.
Never ending job?
You should know.
What are you talking about? My Porsche is in perfect condition. Now.
Not yet.
Getting there.
It's getting there. But not yet.
What you working on here?
The this piece that's supposed to go here to the quarter was non-existent, so I cut back to good metal. Had somebody clean it up for me, and now I want to replace this and this, so I can start making this and this and then this.
Then that, and then this, and then that, and this some more.
Yeah, you get the idea.
Here we go again.
Yep.
I hope the other side's in better condition. Jesus. just piece by piece, and it goes back together, people. You just have to not give up, right, Pat?
Yeah. It's gonna be a lot of pieces.
Every piece to the puzzle, man. One piece at a time. All right, so I've been working on just getting some Bondo out. There's a big little piece of Bondo right here. Well, I thought it was little. Ends up pulling out this big old chunk from the backside. That's nasty, people. Nice! It's a flappy door.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be.
No. I didn't know you made a flappy door. Is that gonna be the new gas door? Is that what you're doing, Pat?
Yeah, sure.
I'm glad I got that on video. All out there?
A little bit.
Well, at least it's not flapping back and forth now. I'm not in your way. Want me to push it with the hammer?
I'm gonna need it, but I need the air nozzle.
Be very, very careful.
So as you can see, the outfit's a little different. It's actually the next Saturday, following Saturday. Things didn't go as planned. So got the inner piece over here cut out. So this is all gonna have to get remade. The trunk drop off, it was just hammered, it was gone. This, don't even worry about looking at this right now. This is all getting cut out. I got a new quarter for it, new quarter, I guess you call it. But this piece here, this is what was found when we started getting the old quarter off and the trunk drop off. This was all Bondo right here. It was like 2 inches thick. So got the lead out over here, cut this out, cut the Bondo out, started making a piece for here, went to here and welded it all in across here, down here, over here. It started coming up and it turned out lead was over here too. So I got to here, blew the lead out. So I got done with that, just turned around, cut it all out, started over, and over in here, we're now into bad metal. This has been repaired like 5 or 6 times. It's junk. There's just nothing. This is all fiberglass down here. So that side is even worse. So basically what I'm getting at is this will be a to be continued. It's not gonna get done until parts come in. New tail panel was ordered. It's not gonna be here for probably 2 to 3 more weeks. So more to follow on that. And then the next video or two, you might see a little bit of a difference in filming because a little PSA safety message, I guess you call it. You know, when you're having one of those days where nothing goes right, you gotta know when to say when. And I didn't. So as you can see, there's a nice little Band-Aid there. Got done with this, was working on something else. And basically a tool got away from me and took a chunk out of the top of my finger. I don't need to get into that too much, but yeah, wear your safety stuff. Part of the problem is I forgot that I had a drill press. I've been doing this for so long without any special tools. Now that I'm acquiring the special tools, I forget that I have them.
You don't have any tools around here.
Yeah, so the drill press would have not had that happen. So yeah, try to be safe, people. And that's all I got. You got anything, Jeremy?
Nah.
So yeah, next video or two I might be filming, and we'll see how it goes. All right. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Give money to St. Jude, people.